might be a good person to ask.
Yes.
Is there another spot that
Yes.
like I could actually see the beach?
I was just going to recommend.
I love you.
There's a dune. There's dunes.
Come on.
I'll look at it. You can honestly, I'll show you it right now. It's beautiful.
I don't know what hour it is. It's like, it's 6. I'm headed down to another beach that young fella told me about, but I just pulled over to get some gas, and this guy like came walking up to the side of the car really fast, and I'm not used to that. It scared me. He's just filling the gas. I literally was postured. I was like, he came up to the window looking at me like, what the fuck? Oh my goodness.
Whatever side your water fill up is on, I opened that garage door. There's a hose in there.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Where's his water? There it is. Sweet guy. All right, we are now full. Okay, so we're ready for our day. We're gonna go to this beach that young lad told us about. We just got some water, and we could stay there for a couple of days if I'm able. I've decided on this journey that Massachusetts is beautiful. I love the architecture. I love the accents. It feels safe. I've zigzagged all over Massachusetts now. I've seen every little lick of Massachusetts. The Cape was the only thing left I hadn't seen.
In half a mile, arrive at Sandy Neck Beach Park.
Oh, for Pete's sake. Yeah, it looks like this guy has turned us on to something really nice, y'all. Keep you posted. This trip has been, it's been perfect. I had a really hard fall. I needed this peace. Even going back to Maryland wasn't the greatest. It was nice to do a few things. Like, I got to see some of my clients, and I proved to myself I could do a few haircuts, but it wasn't peaceful. I feel like I haven't had peace since maybe the Salton Sea, not like this. All right, it's time for breakfast. I am treating myself to coffee this morning. I do not make coffee every day because the grinds take so much water to rinse out. So today is a little treat day. This is evening primrose, and I take this for menopause. It helps with the night sweats, mood swings, and all of those wild experiences that you may be suffering with from menopause. I just wanted to show you my views. Look at this. Every window is just insane in the membrane. It's the ocean, and the sand dunes, and the parking lot.